The Bluetooth device is connected successfully.
As you can see, the Sony V818 is now playing music wirelessly through Bluetooth while keeping its original look and functionality. Now let's go step by step and see how to make this upgrade. As I open the system, don't skip ahead. Later in this video, I'll show you how I eliminated the hissing sound from Bluetooth module using simple solution. Now that the system is open, first step is to find a suitable 5-volt supply for the Bluetooth module. I am taking the 5-volt power supply from this point on the main board for Bluetooth module. Before we begin, let's quickly look at the components we will be using. This is the B0505S module. It's a small but very important component, and I will explain exactly why we need it later in the video. This is the Bluetooth audio module, which will add wireless audio to the music system. Now let's get started. This is mini disc section. We'll use this input for the Bluetooth audio. The connector is on the back, but I will solder the connection directly on the main board for the neat and reliable installation. All the connections are complete now. The 5-volt supply powers the Bluetooth module through the DC to DC converter, and the Bluetooth audio output is connected to the mini disc input. Now let's talk about the B0505S DC to DC converter module. Without it, you may notice hissing or buzzing noise from the Bluetooth audio. The B0505S isolates the Bluetooth module from the amplifier's power supply, helping to eliminate this unwanted noise and deliver much clearer sound. Here's the complete circuit diagram for the Bluetooth modification. Feel free to pause the video and use it as a reference while building your own. Now it's time to mount the module inside the system. I will securely fix the B0505S module and the Bluetooth module, making sure they are positioned safely and won't interfere with any moving parts or wiring. With everything installed, it's time to close the cabinet and power up the system for final test. Let's see how the Bluetooth upgrade performs.
The Bluetooth device is connected successfully.
And that's it. Your Sony system is now upgraded to Bluetooth while keeping its original look and sound quality. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to Smart Mercury Labs, and turn on notification bell so you don't miss my upcoming electronics projects.